Now last class, so many of you asked me some doubts regarding that bicyclo compounds. Okay, in the entrance batch, of course, I've sent some questions, and you asked me the doubts about the bicyclo compounds. So I'm clearing it out. What are your doubts are there? I have done it with some of you, but some still they have the doubts. So I thought let me make a video and clear your doubts. So one of the question was this. This was one of the question. It was this sort of little bit. This sort of the question was so now see, first you need to understand that here these two are the carbon heads. The carbon heads, these two are. This one is the carbon head and these are the carbon bridges. This is your carbon bridge, one carbon bridge. That means if you draw the structure in this way, then it becomes easier, you know. See, the structure is actually this. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this line you see. See this line. Alright. So these two structures are similar. Alright. Now one more structure was this. This sort of one more structure was that is, I should say, not in this way, rather this sort of yes, and this was the compound. This two compound was there. So this compound, what you can do is that, see, count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will draw a pentane, a cyclopentane. Alright. Now this and this end, you see this and this end. Alright, I got it in this side. So these two are the compounds. You can simplify it in this manner. Now I hope it will be easy for you to solve the questions. Okay, I'll start from any carbon, what you can say, any bridge head, either this or this. Let me start from what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. Alright, 7 carbon atoms we got it. This is a bridge head, this is a bridge head. You can start from here also. You can start from here also as a wish. Now we don't have any prefix, nothing. Simply we'll start from bicyclo. Primary prefix bicyclo. Now we will that is do the write the number of carbon bridges. Here 2 carbon bridge, here 2 carbon bridge, and here 1 carbon bridge. So 2, 2, 1. In descending order, you know that we need to do. Alright, because first we have taken the what you can say, bigger chain, this ring, and then I have taken the smaller ring. Isn't it? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the bigger ring, and then the smaller ring. I enter. So bicyclo 2 to 1. How many carbon is there? Hept. 7 carbon, and it is carbon-carbon single bond. So it is heptane. Okay. Same thing. These two are the bridge head. We can say that. These two are the bridge head. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what it will be? Bicyclo. Bicyclo. How many carbon bridges? There 2. Here how many bridges? 1, and here also 1. See here. This 2 carbon. Leaving behind this 2 have to count, na? The bridge head have to count. So 1, 2 carbon, and here 1 carbon, and here 1 carbon. So 2, 1, 1. What is that? How many carbon? Hex. Primary suffix is single bond M. So bicyclo 2, 1, 1. That is hexane, and this is bicyclo 2, 2, 1 heptane. Same thing. Now, so one more compound I will give you. One more compound. These are the doubts you had, basically, many of you. So one more compound I will give you to make sure that you have understood this particular one. One more. Let me give it to you. Let us say this is not a doubt. I am giving from my side. Okay. So this one and this one here. Clear? Now, what you can see, this is a bridge head. This is a bridge head. Isn't it? This is a bridge head. This two, this and this is the bridge head. So I will start counting from a particular one. Now, here you need to understand that prefix is there. This is a prefix, this is a prefix, this is a prefix. The prefix is there. Alright. So I need to understand here that I have to give the lowest number from the prefix. If it is possible, here it is possible. I can give the lowest number to the prefix. Alright. Now, if I start counting from this bridge head, listen carefully. If I start counting from this bridge head, 1, 2, 3, 4 it gets, because this is a bigger ring. Na? 1, 2, 3, 4. If I start counting from this bridgehead, that is 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5. Now here also same thing. If I go inside, then this particular one, this is the two branches, it will get the sixth one. If I go here, then this will get the sixth and this will come the seventh then. Getting me? When I am having the options, then what will I do? That is 1, 2. Like instead of starting from here, I started here. Why? Because this will get the second position. If I had have started from here, because I have got two options, either this or this. If I start from here, then this will get the fourth position. If I start from here, this will get the second position. Clear now? Now third, fourth, fifth. Now here if I come, this is 6. And here if I come, this is 7. So this will again get the highest number. So I will give the lowest number. Clear now? Fine. So these two are what? Methyl. You can see these two are methyl. If you don't understand, I will make it a little bit bigger. I think it's clear now to you. So it is, what is that? Methyl, you can see two methyls are there. Which position? Sixth position. So second position 1 methyl and sixth position 2 methyl. So what will we write? 2,6,6 trimethyl. First secondary prefix 2,6,6 trimethyl. Done. Now after that primary prefix is bicyclo. Then after that we have to see the carbon bridges. Now how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon, because these two are bridgehead. And mark it and see how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon here. Here 1 carbon. And here how many? 1 carbon. Alright, see here. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon bridge. This is 1 carbon bridge. Here how many carbon? 1 carbon. And here also 1 carbon. So 3, 1, 1. Now how many total carbon is there? 7. So it is hept. Primary suffix is N. All are single bond. It is heptane. So 2,6,6 trimethyl bicyclo. Bicyclo 3,1,1 heptane. We can say that. In this way, we can do the numbering and we can write the name of the compound. Now, today I will tell you that suppose the IUPAC name is there. Till now, we were writing the IUPAC name and the structure was given to us. Today we will learn when the IUPAC name is will be given to you, how to draw the structures. Alright? If IUPAC name is given, how to draw the structures. Like 5-methyl, let us take one compound, 5-methyl, okay, hept 3-in-1-al. So what you need to do, this is very simple. If IUPAC name is given and structure to be drawn is very simple. First you take the root word. First is a root word, because that is, there only you will be writing the prefix, suffix, na? So first is your skeleton, the carbon chain. How many? Hept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first is a root word. Because without the root word value, you will put the prefix and suffix. Alright, so hence first you need to see the root word. Now do the numbering. From any side you can do the numbering, either this end or this end, because you are drawing the structure. Na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is what is being said, 5-methyl. Okay, fifth position it is methyl. Done. Hep 3-in, that is third position, in. First position al. So first is al. Now don't put another carbon here. Al means what? CHO. CHO means it does not mean one more carbon and put it here. If I put one more carbon means it becomes 8 carbon then. Everything changes. Alright, that you need to understand, because the functional group carbon atom is included in the root word. Functional group carbon atom is included in the root word. So don't put another carbon here. Listen carefully. Alright, so here what I need to do? Here only, that is CHO, the first carbon, convert it. Now everything is done. Now you put the hydrogen, because everything is done, you can see. Put the hydrogen. You can remove this particular numbering also. You can remove it. Now what will be? This will be CH2, this is CH, this is CH, this is again CH, this is CH2, this is CH3. Finished. Alright, one more, let us do. One more, let us do it. Now, that is, we can take 4-methyl pent, what is that? 3-one. What is 4-methyl pent 3-one. Fine. Now, first is pent root word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Achha, one more I have done it. 5. Now, next do the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 4-methyl, fourth position, methyl, CH3. Pent 3-one, third position is on, ketone. So easy. So it is CH3. then CH2, here nothing to be done, here CH, and here it is CH3. Now you can remove this numbering. So better is to do the numbering by the help of pencil. Better is to write it so that you can remove it. Alright, so in this way, you got it, how to write it. Now, next, one more we will do, so that you will get some idea that yes, how to draw the structures from the IUPAC names. A little bit bigger one. 2-amino 3-hydroxy, 2-amino 3-hydroxy, then it is 4-oxo, what is that? 4-oxo, we will take pentanoic acid. Okay, pentanoic acid. Now, so 2-amino 3-hydroxy 4-oxo pentanoic acid. The root word is what? Pent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. So, now next it's 2-amino. Second position amino, NH2. 3-hydroxy. Third position hydroxy. 4-oxo. Fourth position oxo. Double bond O. Okay. Now, that is pentanoic acid. Here the numbering is not given. Pentanoic acid. So if numbering is not given means first position. First. So in the first position what will I do? COOH. See here. 2-amino, 2-amino. 3-hydroxy, 3-hydroxy. 4-oxo. Pentanoic acid. In the first position COH. Easy. Now this you should know it. Alright. If you don't know what is amino, if you don't know what is hydroxy, if you don't know what is oxo or keto, then how will you write it? So for that purpose I asked you that secondary prefix and secondary suffix, the chart has to be learned by heart, as well as preferential series and so many I said you. You need to learn it. Unless and until you learn, you cannot do it. Now you put the hydrogen, CH3, now here CH, here it is CH, done. Now remove the numbering, done, finished. It is, so in this way you have to write the, draw the structures from the IUPAC name. I hope you understood. Thank you.